If you're having issues with your Bobcat A770 all-wheel steer loader, issues with the wheels being out of alignment, most likely it's probably a problem with the wheel position sensors. Now, usually you can use the Bobcat analyzer software to go in and make the changes to the wheels, but like if you're out in the middle of nowhere on a construction site, you might not have access to that software. So right here in the manual, it talks about how to do a field adjustment on your wheel alignment. Because the system can't look at the wheel sensor and make a decision as to where exactly the wheel is, you'll have to basically make this adjustment on your own, at least so that you can drive it onto a trailer. So the first thing you want to do is sit in the seat, put the seat bar down, and start the engine. Once you start the engine, that way you get at least some hydraulic pressure. And you're going to go ahead and you got to press two buttons at the same time. You have to press the operate loader button, which is the item 1 there. And you also have to press the bottom of the 2-speed switch on the left joystick. You have to press both of those at the same time. And when you do that, then you're going to hear an alarm sound. And then on the left LCD panel, it's going to show FL-A. And so basically those codes, FLA, FRA, RLA, and RRA, are the different wheels: front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel. So once that code comes up, you'll just move your joystick to the left or right, your left joystick. You'll move it left or right so that it will align that wheel. So if you don't need to align a specific wheel, you'll have to rotate through those codes by pressing the operate loader button several times to get through each wheel. Once you get to the end, then it'll just say done on the panel, and that's it. So you may have to do it several times if you pass the wheel that you're trying to align. But once you do it, you'll at least be able to get it on the trailer. You'll just have to make sure the best thing to do if you have that situation happen is once you get the wheels aligned, just go right into regular skid steer mode so that the wheel doesn't get out of alignment again. But that's basically it.